songbird fly. Let the songbird try, 'cause you've got nothing to lose. Though I might never fill your shoes, you may see the world a different way, like a painter who can only see in shades of gray. But you don't see the beautiful colors that brighten